welcome back to CD Plus Hype. Today we're here with Aiden, and today we're opening up Galaxy Slime Ball. We could be. Thank you to Joyjoz for sending us these Galaxy Slime Balls. Let's see what's inside. Wow! Galaxy and clear one. Let's see it.
Let's see them. So this one
It's a clear rubber ducky one.
clear rubber ducky with some confettis and pearls, kiwi, watermelon, carrots. Can't wait to open them. There's another clear one with hearts and pearls.
Oh, pearls.
What's next, Aiden? What do we have here?
Green.
Green, clear slime.
With pearls and fruit.
Yeah, you're right. Pearls and fruits.
Then we have a purple one, a purple clear one with pearls and fruits.
Right.
Now we have a really clear one that has pearls, some yellow and pink pearls plus fruit.
And apples, yep, and veggies too. And
And
then
a yellow one which has fruits and does it have pearls?
no pearls.
Oh, wait, here.
Oh yeah, nice.
And then we
We
have
have a bunch
all.
of different.
Oh, look at this gold one. Wow.
They're like metallic and galaxy looking because that's what it's called.
The first one, it says rubber duckers. It's like a bath time some putty. Aiden, you wanna play with it? Go. Ooh, what's all of it? Oh, pearl. Uh-oh. Slime.
Next
Slime.
we have
A pink one, a pink and pretty one. I'll open it.
ooh, I like this.
Ooh, let me smell it. Let me give it a sniff.
They smell really good.
They smell like lavenders.
Wow, lavender.
Smell it.
Next we have a really clear one. Clear slime. And you can put it on the floor and it will not stick. So that's a good one. You won't get in trouble by your parents. Right,
And
Aiden?
your clothes. Look, you ready?
But I'm pretty sure it'll stick to your hair. Because Aiden put it on Haley's hair. Don't, Chloe, don't do it.
In the clear one, so now it's
Really clear. Wow. Then we have a really nice light purple one.
a lavender.
A lavender.
And it smells like lavender. Smell it, smell it, smell it.
Let's open a galaxy one. Wow. Let's see how it looks. Wow, that's really pretty. Nice and blue and galaxy looking, right? Duh.
Smell it, smell it.
Okay, how am I supposed to smell it? Okay, Aiden, smell it.
It's good.
That's good.
This one's a more like textury one. Thank you, if you enjoyed these slimes. So, if you want more videos like these, all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and us a comment. Bye! Bye!